Brian here at 5-Star Engines. Today we are working on a Stihl TS 410 cutoff saw. Customer brought these back to me. I've done some work to them, minor stuff, keep them going. This one here won't turn over. Well, it kind of will, kids. There's the flywheel. We get to there and it stops. We go backwards and it stops. So I know the piston's going up and down, but what's stopping the piston from moving? So we took off the rubber cover and the spark plug's out, and it's going to be hard to see, but if you see that little guy right in there, that's the push button decompression release. And guess where the rest of it is? Because that's not all of it. It dropped down in the cylinder, and that's what's stopping this motor from completely turning over. And what we did was we took off the exhaust, and to the top center of that exhaust port, you'll see something that looks a little silver. That's what's left of the decompression release. Now, we're going to try and get it out and try and get the rest of that decompression out. And we're going to have a look in there and see what's going on. But it just shows you what things can happen and where you got to look. And there it is in there. We're going to get her out somehow. Anyways, we'll keep you posted. And that's why this puppy won't run. Brian here at 5-Star Engines. Thanks for watching.